Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just capture light, but actually understands the intent behind your finger on the shutter. Imagine a device that has finally bridged the gap between professional photography and Hollywood cinema, effectively ending the decade-long debate between Nikon, Sony, and Canon. We aren't talking about a minor refresh. We aren't talking about a Mark II that just adds a better screen and calls it a day. In 2026, the landscape has changed. Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema was the first domino to fall. And today, the second domino has just hit the floor. This is the Nikon Z8 II. And if you think you know what a hybrid camera is capable of, you are about to realize that we have all been living in the past. For years, the Nikon Z8 was hailed as the baby Z9, the powerhouse that brought flagship performance to a smaller, more accessible body. But as we move further into 2026, that nickname feels like an insult. The Z8 II has grown up. It has evolved. It has become a predator. Today, we are going deeper than the spec sheets. We are looking at the leaked internal data, the confirmed red color science integration, and a brand new AI processor that makes every other autofocus system on the market look like a toy from the early 2000s. If you've been considering the Sony A1 II or the Canon R5 Mark II, stop what you are doing. Because Nikon didn't just build a camera, they built a revolution. Let's start with the Red Revolution. When Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema, the industry held its breath. We all knew it was coming, but we didn't know it would happen this fast. The Nikon Z8 II is the first hybrid mirrorless camera in history to feature genuine, internal 12-bit red code RAW recording. Let that sink in for a moment. You no longer need an external recorder. You no longer need a $20,000 cinema rig to get that legendary red look. It is now living inside a Nikon body. But it's not just the codec. It's the IPP2 color science. The way this camera handles skin tones and highlights is no longer digital. It is cinematic. It is soulful. For the first time, a wedding filmmaker or a solo content creator in the US can produce imagery that is indistinguishable from a Netflix original series. But a cinema-grade sensor needs a brain that can keep up. Enter the EXPEED AI engine. This isn't just a faster processor. It's a cognitive processor. Nikon has utilized deep learning algorithms to create what they call deep intent autofocus. Most cameras hunt for eyes or faces. The Z8 II predicts where your subject is going to be based on their body geometry and the environment. Whether you are tracking a bald eagle through the pines of the Pacific Northwest or a Formula One car screaming through the turns at Miami, the Z8 II doesn't just lock on. It anticipates. It's as if the camera has a nervous system connected to yours. And let's talk about the fast scan sensor. The biggest debate in 2026 has been global shutter versus stacked sensors. Nikon has taken a third path. They've developed a 45.7 megapixel fast scan stacked sensor that reaches readout speeds so high, the rolling shutter is effectively non-existent. Why does this matter? Because it gives you the benefits of a global shutter. No distortion of fast-moving objects, without the loss of dynamic range or high ISO performance that usually comes with it. You get the best of both worlds. Clean, noise-free shadows and a shutter that can keep up with a lightning bolt. Now let's address the elephant in the room: overheating.